to my boy Tyrone Taylor Transmissions, Pontiac Alley, Brooklyn, New York. My REMFLEX header gaskets are on. No more exhaust leak. No more burning unnecessary fuel. I guess this guy wanted to challenge me, you know what I mean? But anyway, after I get home, I already have the new NGK UR5 plugs gap at, what is it, 35? Jesus. Yeah, 35 just to start. Then I'm putting them up to 50. So far, so good. That's, and oh, the MSD 6AL2 replacement new box is arriving next week. Wheel alignment is done. Header gaskets are on. So the car will be ready for track. And that's with my boy, Mr. Greg Hearn. So far, so good. It's a great day. Well, thanks again, Tyrone Taylor.